Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about absolute reference. So today we will learn absolute reference. Absolute reference. So absolute reference will be denoted in the form of dollar. So in the form of dollar. In the form of dollar. So what is this? It is a name box. For example, consider B2. Consider B2. So if you enter dollar here and here also, then it is absolutely locked both column and row and row and row. And for example, if you do dollar B and just do like this, then absolutely locked only column, only column, and row remains relative. So row remains relative. And if you if you if you do like this, B dollar 2, then it is absolutely locked only row and column remains relative. Column remains relative. So these are the three different dollar signs we can assign in the absolute reference. Absolute reference. So just take this and move like this. So we are having $3. So in this, we will see this example in this class. So for this, I have included some data. So trainers, let's say Eva, Lem, Pavlo, Jenny, Ivan, Casper. These are trainers and poke balls. So these are the poke balls, each trainers having this list of numbers of poke balls. So you have to identify the cost of each, identify the price of the each poke balls. So you have to write the formula. You have to write the formula. So each poke ball is 2 rupees. Each poke ball is 2 rupees. So you have to write a formula so that you have to get all the prices of the poke balls of the trainer. So how can you write it? So price should be, you have to write in a such a way that price should be absolutely locked both column and row, both column and row. So what you have to write? So you have to write is equal to is equal to. So here B2, right? So it is C2. So what you have to write? Dollar C dollar 2, right? Dollar 2 into B2. So into B2. I hope you understand. So it is C1 and it is C2, right? So I am sorry, sorry. So here we have to write the price. You have to write the price. So you have to choose B11. You have to choose B11. So not C2, it's a B11. We have to calculate the each poke balls by using B11, right? So that's why we have to include B11. And formula is same. Formula is same. So I hope you understand, not C2. Why? Because we have to calculate by using this price. If I write C2, there is no sense, right? There is no sense. You have to multiply these spoke balls with this. So what is this? This is a B11. So it should be absolutely locked both column and a row. So for this, I have used $B $11 into B2. So B2 means 2. So now I will get the 2 into 2, 4. 4 should be the answer. See, I got 4. See, I got 4. So I will I just drag it so that you can get the all the like fill function. You'll get all the values. Yeah, you have to get you'll get the all the values. See here, 2 into 2, 4. 2 5s are 10. 2 10s are 20. 2 7s are 14. 2 6 are 12. And 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. So this is how we can use the absolute references. Absolute references. So that's it, friends. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like the video and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube. And before that, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.